How to set move discarded messages into deleted or archive mailbox for iCloud Mail on iPhone. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, tap on the Apple account name. After that, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then tap on the CO button. From here, tap on iCloud Mail. Then scroll down and tap on Mailbox Behaviors. In the Move Discarded Messages Into section, you can choose Deleted Mailbox or Archive Mailbox. So any discarded messages can be moved to the Deleted Mailbox folder or archive. Finally, tap on the Accept button and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.